Today, I will share the secret to solving fill-in-the-blank inference questions on the Korean CSAT English exam. It's not about understanding the entire sentence. It's not about understanding the context within the sentence either. Korean students, who are not native English speakers, solve these inference problems very quickly. What is the key principle of fill-in-the-blank inference questions? It's about finding one of two similar sentences. To solve the problem quickly and accurately, you need to understand the structure of fill-in-the-blank questions. There are two main types. The first type is the upper part of the fill-in-the-blank question, where the blanks are in the first and second sentences. And the second type is the lower part, where the blanks are in the fourth sentence or later. To solve the upper part of the fill-in-the-blank question, we first identify the subject in the first sentence with the blank. The subject here refers to the noun or concept that the blank relates to, along with its related context. Second, find the sentence that includes the subject, and then choose the option that most closely matches the content, situation, and vocabulary. Read this approach 3 times. Find the subject and match it. Find the subject and match it. Find the subject and match it. Now, imagine you are a high school student in Korea, sitting in a tense exam room. You have 1 minute to solve the problem. Pause and solve it. Ready? Go! What is the subject of the blank? Is it the cutting edge product or future technology? Right? Doesn't it make sense? Does the same subject appear in the next sentence? No. It talks about the Bronze Age, which is unrelated. The Bronze Age is not cutting edge, so move on quickly. The next sentence talks about refining materials and surpassing the material supply, which also has nothing to do with cutting edge technology. In the next sentence, fossil fuels are mentioned, which don't fit with cutting edge technology either. Then, in the next sentence, electric cars, wind turbines, etc. appear. This is definitely cutting edge, right? Now match the sentence with the blank. Find a sentence that closely matches. The content of rare metals are key components. Key means essential or necessary, which means it must exist. Must exist is similar to must be secured. Let's check the options. Option 1 mentions component and secure. Key components must be essential and secured. Option 1 is the one that matches most clearly, right? This is how you can solve the problem quickly. Did you solve it faster than Korean high school students?